Hi. Today I'll walk you through, step by step, how to customize your email signature in Canva using a template. If you've already purchased or downloaded one of our Canva templates, you'll see a screen like this, with a button that says View Template. From there, you can start customizing it. And if you'd like to get this template, you'll find the link below this video. Let's get started. Click on View Template and then log in to your Canva account. This template works with both free and paid accounts. Click on Open in Editor to start customizing this template. Now, once you have the template open in Canva, as you can see on the screen, you can start customizing it however you like. You can even change the size, color, and font style in each text box. Follow the steps I'm showing next as I customize the template. Upload your logo and use it instead of the sample logo. Add your professional photo by dragging it into the image frame. If it gets cropped, double-click to adjust it to your preference. Once your signature is ready, you can download it from Canva. Click on Share at the top right, then select Download. Choose the PNG format and select only the page where your signature is located. Now I'll show you how to add it to your Gmail signature. Before sending a new email, click on Insert Image. You'll find this button at the bottom of the window where you write your message. Gmail also lets you set up your signature as the default. Follow my steps and I'll show you how to do this. First, go to Gmail settings, which you'll find in the gear icon at the top right, and then click on See All Settings. Once you've added the signature, as I showed you earlier, select it and set it to large size. And that's it. You now have your own professional email signature created in Canva and integrated into your email. From now on, every message you send will look more polished and trustworthy. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and see you in the next video.